Only one choice now, just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm me down, how you set me free when I thought it was impossible.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and y'all already know what it is. It's another wig install, baby. And today we are installing another wig from LUVME here. Y'all know I love me some LUVME. And this unit is the 12-inch. Oh no, wait. This was a 14-inch. And it was called, I think, like the Office Vibe Water Wave wig or something like that. I'll have the wig link down below for you guys if you want. The details with all the specs will be down there as well, but y'all see the construction of the wig. It is just has this small parting space and then an elastic band. And you know, I love the construction of these wigs. They're always very secure and nice, and you know, a good wig, good quality wig. So first things first, you know, I'm just taking some edge control and I'm just gonna be putting down my edges, making sure everything is nice and flat and sleek. I'm using, I think, the Eben 24-hour hold hair. What? I said brain fire. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm using the Eben 24-hour hold edge control. So I'm just taking a brush and just making sure that everything is nice and flat. And then after I do that, I'm just taking a wig cap and I'm just putting it on my head. I just had my hair braided to the back in like one single braid, and I just like kind of tucked it in. Usually when I have wigs that aren't full frontals, I don't really feel like it's worth it to do like a whole wig bald cap install because I need to have my edges out anyway. You know what I'm saying? So I personally don't mind just having the wig cap on and then letting my edges live their best life on the sides. So that's what I am doing here. And now I'm just clipping back the hair in the front so that I can better see the lace and we can get to laying this lace down. Personally, I think the lace is already very nice quality, very thin. It feels like it's already melting into my skin, and it looks like it's already melting in my skin. I know y'all see it, but once we apply this got to be, that's just gonna make it melt so much better. So I'm just applying this along the perimeter of the lace, and then I'm going to tie that down with an elastic band so that it's nice and tight. And then when it fully dries, that's when we'll go ahead and take it off. But hey y'all, I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a while, probably because I don't know, you guys, if you haven't noticed, all I've been doing lately has just been wig videos, and that's just because I've been in like a little rut, you know, a little rut. Yeah, we'll just call it that. And yeah, I promise I'm gonna get back to making vlogs. I'm thinking I'm gonna vlog for the holidays and have like a nice little like 12 days of Christmas vibe, or you know, something like that. And yeah, because I miss talking to you guys on a different basis rather than just wig installs, because I don't really talk to y'all, you know what I mean? I usually don't do this. I don't chit chat. I just tell y'all what I'm doing on wig. So anyway, as you can see, I took that elastic band off, and now I'm just taking like the comb side of the edge brush, and I'm just brushing out the hairs so that they're not like crusty and like stuck down, so they look very loose and nice. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. So I'm just taking some little baby scissors, cutting a line down the middle, and then I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut like a jagged line along the lace. Make sure the line is jagged. Make sure it's not straight across, because when you have that straight across hairline on your lace, that's when it's your wig look like a wig. You got to do the jagged so it like blends better. And as you can see, usually when I do the got to be method, I do have like a white I guess like little crusty crust. I do be having like a white little crusty crust on my head after, and it's just from like the got to be spray just drying up and flaking. So I usually always make sure to go in with some bronzer and just apply that over those white areas so that it looks like my head. And as you can see, it blended right in. Like that does the trick every single time. So now that we have the wig nice and stuck to our heads, I'm just gonna be taking down these clips, and we're gonna go ahead and put some water on this bad boy. So I wanted to add like a nice amount of water to it, just so that it would give me like those wet and wavy curls. But y'all will see on the final look, I did let it dry a bit so that I could get that volume that I was looking for. You definitely could just do complete wet and wavy look if you would like. I think that'd be cute too. But you know, I got a big head, so I be needing the volume. So we added a little bit of volume after the hair's dried up a little bit. Now I'm taking a wax stick and I'm just applying that to the top of my head, and then I'm going to be using a hot comb to just flatten it out. I just want to make sure that it looks flat and not like super like poofy and wiggy on the top. So I just went ahead and did that so it would have laid down a little bit flatter. So now I'm taking some mousse and I'm just going to add that to my hair as well, just to like kind of give it more definition and make sure that those curls and that wet and wavy look will stay even when it dries. But I don't know if y'all can tell, but the parting space, the front of the hair, the hairline is giving my hair. Like, I'm going to put a little zoom in for y'all. It's giving my scalp. I absolutely love this unit. Honestly, with such minimal lace, I was kind of scared to install this because I was like, I don't know if it's gonna give wig or if it's gonna give like natural, but I felt like it gave very much natural with such little lace. Like there was not even probably like a ½ inch of lace and hair in the front, and then the parting space was probably about maybe 2 inches wide, and I feel like it gave scalp. Like you see it, you see the final material. I feel like it looks so good. And like I said, this is after the hair has dried down a bit, so I got to voom it up, zhuzh it up so it was nice and full. And look at it, it looks so pretty. The scalp is scalping, the hair is looking so cute and curly. Honestly, you could even go fluffier if you wanted to, but I kind of wanted to give y'all like the neat version of it. So yeah, I think that it's so cute. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick little install. Like I said, I promise I'm gonna be back with more vlogs and more personable videos because I miss y'all. I just been in a little rut for a long time. So yeah, we'll do a little chit chat, and yeah, don't forget to check down the description box for links and a discount code if you want to save some money when shopping Love Me Hair. Love you guys. Bye.